What's up, Pringles that are single? In today's video, I'm going to be turning these parts I bought on Amazon to make a RC car, and I'm going to be turning it into something else. I don't know what quite yet, but it's going to be a doozy. So let's get started in assembling the car first so you know what it looks like. Then I'll disassemble it and turn it into what I'm planning on. So let's go. Okay, so for some reason the car did not work, so I'm gonna have to get a new car kit. I spent all that time only for it not to work. Okay, so test 2, I have gotten a new Amazon kit right here. It comes with 2 different cars, so I'm thinking it'll be very helpful for making it modified if I just combine the two, because it's 2 different it's 2 completely different cars. So if I combine them and control them, I think that could be really cool. And I will be using the motors that I got from the last kit, so for putting together the car. So see ya. Okay, so I have finished the RC car, and works pretty well. Got the remote right here. I drive it. Then if I press the button, wrong way. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to adapt it so that it looks even cooler. And I'm going to attach something to make it different. Let's go. No. Probably get in trouble for that one. Too lame. So I have finished the project. Here is what it looked like originally, and this is what it looks like now. I have a ETS D12.5 and model rocket engine, and just put that in perspective, this one goes about 1/5 of a mile high. This, I mean, look how much bigger that is. So this will be attached to the car, but of course I really can't launch it. I'm not that great of a rocket scientist, if at all. So if I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will launch the Toy Story rocket car that you see in the final scenes, and I will launch it. And I chose 1,000 mainly because this project, this is going to be a doozy. This is going to be really interesting to see how it turns out. And because 1,000 subscribers is when you start making money. But so, I hope you liked the video. If you want to see more, please buy Croc Spurs. And subscribe, like, and see y'all single Pringles later.